Most people assume that feeling stuck means they're doing something wrong, not disciplined enough, not motivated enough, not trying hard enough. But that's usually not the problem. The real problem is that productivity stops working the moment life gets heavy. When you're tired, when you're overwhelmed, when everything feels like it requires more energy than you have. In those moments, adding more tools, more systems, or more pressure doesn't help. It just creates friction. Being stuck isn't a failure state. It's a signal. It's your brain saying the way you're trying to move forward doesn't match the energy you have right now. Most productivity advice assumes you're operating at full capacity. But real life doesn't work that way. So instead of asking, how do I do more? A better question is, what's the smallest forward step I can realistically take today? Not the ideal step, not the productive version of you, just the honest one. When productivity isn't working, the goal isn't efficiency, it's momentum. Momentum comes from reducing resistance, not increasing effort. That might mean narrowing your focus to one task, lowering the bar on what done looks like, or choosing consistency over intensity. Progress doesn't require feeling ready. It requires making progress small enough that starting doesn't feel threatening. Getting unstuck isn't about pushing harder. It's about making movement easier. And once movement returns, clarity follows. Not the other way around. If you're stuck right now, that doesn't mean you're broken. It means you're human. And forward motion doesn't start with motivation. It starts with one manageable step in the direction you already care about. That's how you get unstuck when productivity isn't working.